And it's now time for the business day. And we begin with the latest fuel prices. All categories of fuel will be increased effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by $1.88. Automotive diesel goes up by 25 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel has been increased by 98 cents. Kerosene will be increased by $1.27. The cost of propane will increase by $1.85, while butane is up by 86 cents. The Insurance Association of Jamaica IAJ has a new president. Rosemary Henry succeeds Sharon Donaldson. During her tenure, Ms. Henry is promising to bridge the gap between members and external stakeholders by increasing engagement.
A bigger public-facing role. We must demystify insurance, rebuild consumer confidence, and promote financial literacy. Public education, continuing engagement, and partnership with civil social society will be key tools in expanding access and inclusion, especially for the underserved and vulnerable population.
She has also pledged to modernize the IAJ's operations.
IAJ must evolve. We will modernize our operations, adopt digital tools, and ensure that we are transparent, accountable, and efficient. We will strengthen our internal capacity financially, technically, and operationally.
Grace Kennedy Financial Group has announced an extension of the closing date for its offer to purchase all remaining shares in Key Insurance Company. The offer, which was initially scheduled to close yesterday, will now remain open until Tuesday, May 20. In March, Grace Kennedy Financial Group revealed a $403.71 million bid to acquire the outstanding 27% stake in Key Insurance that it does not already own. The group currently holds approximately 73% of Key's shares and is offering $2.70 per share under the terms of the takeover. Key Insurance is listed on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The offer, which opened on March 24, is part of Grace Kennedy Financial Group's broader strategy to strengthen its presence in the general insurance market and fully integrate Key Insurance into its financial services portfolio. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 775 points today, while the junior market index declined by 24 points. The 46 advancing shares were led by Elite Diagnostic, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Standy Motor, JMMB 7.15% preference shares, and Consolidated Bakeries. 44 stocks declined, including Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Dolphin Cove, R.A. Williams Distributors, Main Event Entertainment Group, and G West Corporation. 24 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.01. The Canadian dollar traded at $115.11. The pound is going for $210.44, while the euro is selling for an average $180.20. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.